Hey there, everyone! We hope you had an amazing holiday season filled with joy, laughter, and probably a tad too much tinsel. Now, as the festive dust settles, it's time to tackle the aftermath and reclaim your living space. Today, we're talking about the magic of post-holiday decluttering and how self-storage can be your secret weapon for a fresh start. First up, let's talk about that magical feeling when you step into a clutter-free zone. It's like a breath of fresh air for your home and your mind. We all know that a tidy space equals a tidy mind, right? So, those holiday decorations, gorgeous, but they don't need to linger all year round, making your home feel like Santa's workshop in July. Self-storage is like a holiday for your excess stuff. It's secure, it's organized, and it gives you back the space you need to breathe. Now, let's talk about those sentimental treasures. You know, the handmade ornaments, the family heirlooms, the gifts from grandma. You can't let them go, but you also don't need them cluttering up your space. That's where self-storage becomes your memory vault. It's a safe and controlled environment, preserving the sentimental value without turning your living room into a museum. Your memories stay intact, and your home stays clutter-free. Win-win. Ah, the joys of seasonal transitions. Winter coats, holiday sweaters, and festive scarves, where do they all go when summer arrives? Self-storage is the hero of the seasonal wardrobe shuffle. Efficient, organized, and easy to access, it makes swapping out seasonal items a breeze. No more playing Tetris with your closet, just a smooth transition that keeps your home feeling fresh and uncluttered. Renew your space, cherish your memories, and transition seamlessly between seasons. All made possible with the magic of self-storage. For clean, safe, and secure storage options, visit www.arcostorage.com to reclaim your space and start the new year clutter-free.